Wow. I mean, look at that. I can't explain it other than that's absolutely amazing. Hey, welcome to the channel. Today what we are going to do is we are going to see if you can sous vide a chuck roast for 24 hours and make it as tender as a prime ribeye. This is something we saw on Chef Steps and we wanted to try. We moved into a different house now. The kitchen is a wee little bitty, but we're in here. So we're sous videing these. We fired up the grill outside and I'm going to sear them over the charcoal fire. I'm going to take them out of the water bath, pat them dry, put them on the fire. We're going to cut them and see, are they tender or are they not? Because this could be a hack that could change the way that we eat steaks. I mean, if this works, it could save you hundreds and thousands of dollars over time by getting chuck roast and sous videing like this. So we're going to test that out for you to see if Chef Steps is right. Let's go. So I'll put a little bit in here. So these are what the steaks look like when they have been sous vide for 24 hours. I'm patting them dry right now. We're going to try to get a good sear on them, and I'm going to add salt again. I salted them when I put them in the bag. They were in this water bath at 135 degrees for 24 hours. And now I'm going to salt them. We're going to take them out on the grill. We're going to throw them on the grill and sear them as hot and fast as we can because they're already cooked all the way through. You don't have to worry about is it going to be undercooked or not because I cooked it already exactly edge to edge perfect with a sous vide. So it's great. So we're going to see, are they actually tender? Is it worth trying this? Or is it something like not worth it, you know? All right, so the fire's hot. You can see it. You can know a fire's hot in a charcoal when the fire's coming out the top. It actually went a little bit longer than I even expected, but we're ready to go here. Pour this in here. This is what you're looking for. You want this as hot as you can go, flames kicking up everywhere. That's what you want with searing a sous vide steak. You don't want a slow burn. You want nice and hot. Look at that sizzle right there. I mean, start getting nice and hot. Let's get some char on it. That's what you want. I think, remember, these are chuck roasts, so these are big pieces of meat that can take a lot of heat. Oh, here we go. I mean, sizzle like bacon right there. That's what we're looking for. I mean, look at that beauty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Little sizzlies right there. One summer I worked at a camp, and these guys at the camp, every time they came out, they'd be like, sizzle like bacon. That's what I think about every time I see something sizzling coming off the grill. Sizzle like bacon. Oh, I mean, all right. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna shut this down now. Remember how I showed you to save your coals? You just turn this off here. You come down below, close that vent, and now it'll stop the coals from burning. We can save them and reuse them next time. Saves a lot of money over time. All right, we're gonna slice one and we're gonna see how it turns out to see, does this compare to a good ribeye that you would buy, like a prime one, or not? Let's just cut right down here in the middle. Wow, I mean, look at that. Now, sous vide is gonna produce that, but is it tender enough to compare it? So let's just cut off a little piece, slice it up. I'm gonna try one and let my camera operator, AKA my wife, try it. Here's one for my wife. See here? I can't explain it other than that's absolutely amazing. Cannon, come here, let my oldest son, Cannon, try that. Tell us what you think. Or walk away and hide.
It's good.
It's good? Mm-hmm. I mean, it blows my mind that you can take a chuck roast, which is a tough cut of meat, sous vide it for 24 hours, and it is as tender, or possibly even more tender, than a prime ribeye that you would get at Costco. If this is not enough to tell you to go get a sous vide, I think you should. Just, we've enjoyed having ours. But to create this whole thing was less than $30 at Costco. And it's like we have multiple big steaks right here to eat. This is incredible. So I think it works. Definitely worth a shot. Go ahead and try it. And always remember, whether you eat or whether you drink, do it all for the glory of God. Get outside and go cook something for your family. Peace.